Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Naya, aka CROWNHERVIXEN. You can follow me on Instagram at CROWNHERVIXEN, as well as on Snapchat, crownme_Naya, N-A-I-Y-A-A. And today I have a hair tutorial inspired by Kylie Jenner. It's actually a unit that her hairstylist Tokyo styled for her. So I'm not like super crazy about Kylie necessarily, but I do love Tokyo Styles. I love his work. Like, I stalk his Instagram, and he did make a unit for her that was pretty similar to this hair color, and that's where I was inspired. And if I do any type of color, like blue is my favorite. I just love the way it looks on me. It's just very edgy. I got the edgy jacket on and everything like that. But hopefully you guys like this video. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I have plenty of hair tutorials coming to you guys. You don't want to miss out on that. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Alright, so jumping right in, I have some hair from Dyhair777. This is a very affordable hair vendor. They have full lace wigs, lace fronts, bundles, and everything on their website is super affordable. So I love working with 613 hair, as you guys will come to learn. This is Brazilian 100% virgin hair. Obviously it's not virgin, it's been processed, and it has like a nice little steam wave to it. So the wig is full lace, if I did not say that before. It came with 4 clips in the inside. I did actually cut all of the clips out. I don't need that. I adhere my lace closures with bolt holes, which I will have a tutorial on that linked below in the description. And then you can also see that it has little adjustable straps in the back as well. So I really like that. The hair is pretty full. It's a nice natural density. It's not too thick. I wouldn't say this was 130% density, but I will have everything listed down below in the description. So hopping right in, we're going to start out with Adore Blue Black, and I like to apply this to the roots just so it's not a flat blue. I want to have some dimension towards the root of the hair, and then it will fade into the more cobalt blue that we're going for. Now, if it makes you more comfortable, you can also take like a jet black and apply that to the roots, or if you want it to just be the same blue from root to tip, you could do that as well. It is completely up to you, sis. I like to part my hair off into 4 clean sections. It just helps to keep everything neat. So now we're going to be taking 1 part Royal Navy, and then we're going to be taking 2 parts Indigo Blue. So I used all 3 bottles. I just poured them into 1 bowl and mixed it together. It's a very watery consistency, and you're just going to go ahead and start applying it to the hair. Now, do not be alarmed when you're applying this to the hair. It will look kind of purple. At first I thought I was tripping. I'm like, did I buy purple hair dye? But it has purple undertones, but it's definitely like an indigo blue. So you're gonna see that undertone there, but as you can see in the intro, it is clearly blue. So do not be alarmed. But you will see that parting it off into 4 sections just keeps everything clean, and that's what I like. I don't like to really do hair color, especially like a water-based dye. You don't really want it to be like all over the place. You want to keep nice, clean, and neat sections. Now, once you've completed all 4 sections, you're just going to take a comb and you want to just comb through the hair, because it's very important that you make sure every hair is saturated, because you don't want any hair to be left blonde, and also you don't want any hair to come out like too light because it wasn't saturated enough. So I have done this color before where I didn't go through as thoroughly as I did before, and there were a lot of turquoise pieces. I do not want turquoise. I want like a cobalt blue. So I'm just going through the hair, and as you comb through, it will show you parts of the hair where you need to kind of go over it again. Now we are complete with Adore. It does not have any ammonia in it, so I like to leave the hair color on the hair for a few hours and sometimes even overnight. It's not going to damage the hair or anything like that. Once you're done, blow dry it, flat iron it, and you'll be good to go.